Why, Johnny Tyler, Madcap. Where you going with that shotgun? You speak a lot for a man that don't go heels. You speak a lot for a man that don't go heels, Mr. Campbell. See, you a touchy one, Mr. Campbell, because I know your kind. See, I alleged that there was a go along, get along game, right? And I said that the go along, get along gang is about who you like. And they make people and they put people in front of us that they make us think we should like. And then they have cronies that only disrespect black folks that ain't saying nothing to them. They only disrespect black folks that try to get to a certain level. They only want about 8 or 10 of us to seem like we should be liked. Everybody else know your place. But brother Hassan Campbell, I wasn't gonna never say your name because I know this is all about money for you. But it's sad that you sat up here and talked about a guy and you say things as if you never even watched my YouTube. You say things that's the reason why these young boys are hurting each other in the street. You standing on another man's shoulders. You just a man. I don't give a damn where you went, what prison you went to. That's bad behavior you're talking about, sir. You brag about killing other men, sir. You brag about going to prison and being around other men, sir. You talk about signing an oath, but you getting Bob Barker or whatever that famous guy that when you go buy the soap, the belts, and all the stuff you talk about, you making white families rich. And you teaching young black boys that somehow, it sounds like somehow you are better than a guy who went to be the #1 draft pick. It's better to go to prison. Ain't that better? R.I.P. Patrice O'Neal. Ain't that better? I'm a real nigga, you did. Do you know how many times somebody from up north came down to the south talking like that, boy? We don't give a fuck about where you from. I done lived in D.C., L.A., Detroit. All these places are based and built on respect. Memphis, talking like you talking, boy. It ain't about where you from. It's about where you at. And you can't be connected to nothing. Standing on people's shoulders, running your fucking mouth the way you doing, sir. I would never tell another black man he ain't from nothing. He don't know. Motherfucker, you don't know me. Every black man has been through something. He black, ain't it? Which one is it, nigga? Are we all black and we can't change our skin color? Or is it the ones that overcome and persevere and do things your bitch ass didn't do? Mr. Fold Up, do something your bitch ass ain't do. It shows the fucking drive in a person. And because you didn't have that drive to overcome, you will be belittled by making what you did seem important. See, I wasn't going to talk about you, and I sat back for days and I analyzed it. And I said, they use women, they use other black people to hurt us, they use a movement, and they use victimology in the LGBT community to destroy every movement. And sir, you came in as a victim. See, you came in as a victim. So it's hard to attack a guy like you or talk about a guy like you. Because see, YouTube algorithms don't like when you mention things that happened to you in your past. And then what you're designed to do is to rile people up and to get real men to talk about what happened to you in a way that you can get their page taken down. But you underestimated me, buddy. I'm sorry that you was victimized, sir. And I know the abused become the abuser. So that's why I want to say nothing about you, because I don't trust you. You got a very abusive trait. The only thing you seem to do is abuse black people. Are you black, boy? You go to the hood and brag about how you can walk through with no security. I saw a video, you allegedly pulling out guns at your age. See, I didn't want to say nothing about you because I knew this argument is baseless. I'm taking your talking points. You didn't even talk about coding one time in the video where you were talking about me. If I was taking your talking points, you could have said, yeah, coding. Yeah, I talked about coding all the time. Go back and look at my videos where I was talking about coding. And you can look when I was talking about coding and now he talking about coding. Oh yeah, go back and look at my other video where I was talking about trades and go look at it because trades can change America. Go look at it when I was talking about school choice. So you don't know nothing about me. You didn't even do your research. You said I was on the internet since 2013. That's what every dummy is saying. My first video has a date on it and it wasn't 2013. See, you guys are easy to beat because you're stupid as a motherfucker. You care about YouTube algorithms, sir. You don't care about that I was in a homeless shelter because you said I ain't been through nothing. You said your struggle and pain was about your father not being there. You stupid son of a bitch. My daddy was doing a life sentence. Didn't you hear what Charlamagne the God said? See, you're not even smart, boy. And everybody's so scared of you. Oh, don't talk about him. Isn't that? That's because they use the same tactic. They talk about what happened to you. And here's the reason why. See, white folks will not understand why black folks will talk about you and what happened to you. But I'm going to say it's sorry that it happened to you. But here's why they talk about it. But see, because when you started out, you talked about how you was a victim and this and that, and you was humble. And people believed in you because you was humble. But then you turned into a gangster. And you said you've been a gangster your whole life and you come from something. And see, what happens is when you start talking about being a gangster, and then you say the age that you was when that happened, see, that don't happen to most gangsters. And see, that's why people say that. You was off the porch, sir, by your own admission. You was off the porch. So 15-year-olds that I know, when they off the porch, no. And nigga, I was on the sidewalk, and no. So stop talking like you a hell of a nigga because you brag about the niggas you know. Now, Hassan, why won't you talk about, you said I'm like an agent. You always talking about somebody as an agent and this and that. That's that stupid nigga speak, boy. Where's your programs to help people that's been molested? Instead of showing all your jury and going back to the hood, where's the kids that's been molested that you help? Can we see that on your page? I got a shoe drive coming, and I'm gonna show it on my page. You came in talking about kids and helping kids, and now you talking about rocking the snot box. And sometimes people need the snot box rock and all this other monkey shit. Because you an entertainer. All you care about is views, and you jealous of so-called celebrities. I'm a guy who said, I'm not a celebrity. If the LGBT community can identify, why can't I identify as a man? Why you keep using what I did for a paycheck and for fun, a game? Why you keep trying to make that my whole life? It's amazing how you talk black and then you attack a black man that didn't say a motherfucking thing to you. So it's my belief, it's my opinion, and I think that Charlamagne, the lesser charge, must have sent you. Or that leash wearing bitch, DJ Envy. And I'm not gonna stop talking about you bitches. I don't care who the fuck y'all sent at me. You bitches threw bunkies across a stage. I don't like it. No kid should see it. Fuck you, fuck iHeartRadio, and fuck who pay you bitch ass niggas that keep our black community looking at men who claim to have wives, who claim to be heterosexual, and they playing bunkie games and playing rituals in our face. Fuck y'all. Any man that'll make another man feel uncomfortable by putting penises in front of them and throwing bunkies at Donnell Rawlings, fuck y'all. That is sexual harassment. And that behavior is no longer needed to be tolerated. And I don't care how many of you attack me. It's bad behavior. It's a shame. Most of us niggas been fed by white folks so long that all we know how to do is eat off each other. And that's you, boy. You a parasite. You speaking about the man. You didn't speak about the message. Not one time did you dissect or break down anything that I said. And people can hear you, motherfucker. You going on every show talking about the guy that you talking down on like he beneath you. I ain't say shit about you one time. If I'm so beneath you, why you going on Doggy Diamonds? Why you shout out to Doggy Diamonds? Because he saw through that fake shit. Shout out to you. You going on shows talking about a nigga that you claim to be above? Yeah, everybody signed the oath. You know you got to sign the oath. That same stupid ass nigga speech, that's what make athletes and so-called celebrities never go back to the hood. Because of niggas like you. Niggas like you take these mama sons off the streets because you jealous. You not above no motherfucking man because you went to prison, bitch. You not above anybody, boy. And you had a worse upbringing than me. You right. And you allowed some of the things to happen to you, boy. The fuck is you talking about? You want to sit here and tell young men that it's okay to disrespect people who are successful that's black because you got it hard? That's what you telling them? Nigga, we all black in America, ain't it? Thought it was Wakanda, motherfucker. Which one is it? Thought you a Muslim, brother. You don't speak on other people. You about peace, right? Or you rock nigga snot box. Which one is it, boy? You so goddamn confused. I came all the way back home for you, boy. I was just in the city. My daughter was swimming in the pool, having a good time. And she got tired. She was getting on my nerves. I said, let me get you in the goddamn car because I know you tired as a motherfucker. She got in the car. She went to sleep. I said, ooh, this would be a good time to go home and talk about this double talking bitch. They want to act like and big up the negative parts of the hood. Signing up to be a slave, taking your clothes off, getting in line, and taking direction from other men to glorify and make that seem like that's masculine and that's manhood. When you go to jail, boy, they strip you down like cattle. They make you get in a line and make you go nut to butt. And you glorifying this type of dehumanization of black males. You make it seem like it's a badge of honor and a rite of passage. But no, you ain't glorifying it. You just talking like you above me because you went to jail. And those are the things you had to do. And then you say, you ain't talking down on me, but somehow you wasn't there, but you knew MJ was blowing me in the face. You speak so ignorant. MJ was blowing me in the face, huh? Pat Riley was making me run 100 miles. Motherfucker, I never played for the Miami Heat. The hell is you talking about? That's why I know Charlemagne the God or somebody must have sent you, boy. You're just sending out fake messages at me time after time, and I ain't say nothing to your bitch ass because I knew what you was doing. I'm not going to pick on what happened to you. That shouldn't happen to no kid. But just because you've been abused, and psychologists say it. Tell me if I'm right. I'm lying, psychologists or any psychology major. The abused become the abuser. And you got that abusive trait, boy. You toxic. That's the first time I thought a man was toxic. Trying to use your victimology on me, hoping I say something about what happened to you. Boy, I'm smarter than you thought. You underestimated me, boy. See, I don't respond. I don't react. I just sit back, I wait, and I respond ever so effortlessly. You bitch ass nigga.